Hey guys, what's happening? Hey, me and Jasper back out here at the Briar Patch again today. And man, I tell you, I had a hell of a crash last week over at that spot at the river. Crashed so hard that I busted my SD card inside this camera right here. So I finally got me a new SD card, and I got it slapped in here, and I haven't done nothing since I crashed this thing. So I'm kind of out here just testing it today. It's kind of gloomy today, but it's a little break and hit and miss, so we're getting a little bit of sunshine, but we're going to test this camera out and see if it's okay. So stay tuned. Well, you don't think I put my birds through hell? Come fly one time with me out here at the Briar Patch. Yeah. Man, there's more ghost limbs out here than you can shake a stick at. Yep. All you can do is keep trying.